Hi, welcome to Jules Bar. Today we're gonna mix ourselves an original cocktail with chocolate and love. So the most commercial holiday of the year is fast approaching and let's prepare a cocktail around it. What's more Valentine than chocolate and overproof rum? Nothing, I would say. So this is gonna be a pretty small cocktail by volume, about the same amount as a classic martini. So I prepare a martini glass and I'm chilling it. While in the meanwhile I'm gonna explain you the hardest part of the cocktail. So 2 days ago I poured 200 milliliters of this overproof plantation dark rum together with 75 grams of cacao nibs in a bottle to let it steep. I let it steep just 2 days and the flavor I got from it was an excellent cacao flavor, and I think that's just fine. On the other side, I saw other websites claiming to steep between 7 days and 2 weeks. I'm not gonna do that, man. I tasted it after 1 day, it was already pretty good, and after 2 days I thought it was just fine. And what I got after filtering the 200 milliliters of overproof rum and the 75 grams of cacao nibs, by the way, just cacao beans which are crushed, I guess, pieces of cacao beans, I got this really dark and really cacao flavored dark rum. Of course, if you want to do the same, I highly suggest to use an overproof rum because that's going to extract more of the flavor from your cacao nibs. So with that said, let's start building our cocktail. Let's move this away. And we're gonna start with 30 milliliters of this overproof cacao rum. We're gonna follow that with 30 milliliters of orange juice. Let's see if half an orange is gonna be enough. Yes, it will. Then I'm gonna go with 7.5 milliliters of Pierre Ferrand dry curacao. Not too much. We just want to double down on the orange flavor and add a bit extra sugar. And then our last ingredient is gonna be 1 teaspoon of blueberry jam. This is gonna help again with the sweetness, but also with the tartness and the color of our drink, which I would like to be a dark brown. I'm gonna give it a bit of a stir to start melting the blueberry jam. Let's get some ice and give it a shake. Let's double strain in our chilled V-shaped glass. Let's use a bit of spoon because of the seeds from the jam. And let's finish by decorating with the dried orange slice. I prepared this morning. by drying a whole bunch of citrus slices in the oven at 100 degrees Celsius for 3 hours and flipping them every once in a while. And there you go. Here is our chocolate rum orange cocktail. I would like to call this, it's like Valentine's, but for adults. Cheers. It tastes just like a chocolate with orange in it. If you like that kind of classic flavor, then this is the cocktail for you. The chocolate flavor runs really deep. Orange juice and Pierre Ferrand dry curacao brings the orange, and the jam of blueberry just brings some tartness and extra sweet to the party, and also some nice color addition. You can hardly see, but I think it makes it a bit darker in the overall color. This is a desserty drink, but definitely not too sweet. It's for adults. Really nice. So if you wanna try this drink for Valentine, get started. You have to steep for 2 days the cacao nibs, and then you're good to go to prepare this cocktail for your really special Valentine. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Do whatever you want. Shake yourself a drink, and I will see you next time. Cheers. Best love song of all time? That's a hard question. But because I've been consuming so much Beatles lately, between the Get Back documentary on Disney Plus, and then I also watched 8 Days a Week, and then I also watched the interview of Paul McCartney with what's the name of the Slayer producer? Rick Rubin. I would have to say that one of the best love songs of all time gotta be Here, There and Everywhere. And I will not try to sing a single note because that song is so hard. It keeps changing the mood and the tonality between minor, major modes, and fluctuates so hard. It must be one of the hardest songs to sing correctly ever. I mean, it doesn't require an extreme range, but it just requires such good ear and perfect tone. Here, There and Everywhere. But in the end, the love you take is equal to the love you make.